Hi, this is Divya Pandit, your tarot card reader, spiritual healer, and life coach. So here I start with our monthly reading for October, October 2024. Now we start with Aries. Okay, Aries. Let's see what we have for you. Well, Aries, right now your state of mind seems very confused and probably might be feeling a little more emotional, a little low. Okay. What I feel is you're going through a lot in your workspace right now. You're not liking what is happening around you. So let's see what we have in the month of October for you. So the first week will come with an offer from a younger person. Okay, this will bring in a lot of money, not big money, but yes, good money. And the money probably you thought was a little less for the work that you're doing, but go for this because this will actually give you more opportunities. This is a good opportunity, take it. And it also bring a lot of money stability in your life, not majorly, but in a small batches, but it will. Okay. Second week will come with a lot of memories, old memories, right? You will think about all the people uh, who were around you in the past, like probably your school friends, your old friends, or probably your, um, you know, brothers, sisters, all childhood memories will come. And possibilities there you're going to reconcile if you were not in talking terms with your brothers, sisters, or somebody from your childhood, you will reconcile with that person. Third week will come with a lot of mental mental stress, more to do with your perspective. Okay, if you are looking at things in a negative manner and you always want to get triggered at every small thing, you're getting triggered at every small thing, then this week will bring to you a lot of mental stress. It will bring you, um, probably you'll be very irritated, you'll have an argument with someone. So try to keep yourself calm, do a lot of meditations, okay? A lot of disappointments you might feel that this is not the way, things should have been better. So all these things will come in the third week. And the fourth week will bring you a lot of, um, I'll say, things that you didn't know in your workspace about, um, hidden secrets, possibly. Okay, hidden secrets. I feel also that you will have to work 10 times more harder in your workspace in the fourth week to get things done. Okay, because otherwise things will be stuck. You won't go forward, you won't go behind. There'll be a lot of stuck energy. Also, I feel that there will be a female in your space. Now, this looks like a mother figure. Okay, very disciplined, very strict, very spiritual or religious. This person will come in your space. Okay, the reason of this person coming in your space is whatever conflicts you're going through, this person will remove you out of that conflict. Okay, this could be a person, or this could be any goddess whom you believe in. This comes to me as goddess, um, Kali, Tara, Baglamukhi, that kind of energy. So, yes, that can be some divine energy helping you, or it will be in a physical form, in the form of a elderly lady, like a mother, boss, or someone like that. Possibly your boss will be very strict at this time, make you do all the work very strictly. However, this is going to go in your benefit. Okay. So yes, this was all 4 weeks for Aries. Let's see what we have as uh, love reading, relationship reading, however you take it. Let me first check your blocks and the outcomes. Okay. All right, so let's talk about the blocks first. Block is that communication is the key to so many things in life. Here, whoever you are seeing this reading for, it could be a lover, husband, wife, anyone else in the family, anybody. Communication is a problem over here. Either that person is not ready to communicate properly, or you are not ready to communicate properly. You are just going into a spiral, constantly thinking about the past, things that did not work out for you. So, if you are wanting to improve your relationship in the month of October, you need to see a brighter, a better, a more positive aspect of your life and new vitality Okay, new vitality means a lot of doors opening for you, but you're not looking there. Possibilities are there for you, but you're not looking there. Okay, here I feel people who are married into a relationship, they are learning to trust. There is a lot of trust issues over here, and in the past they have isolated themselves. Probably they've been into spiritual thing, meditation, they've been taking guidance from guru, whatever, but they did separate themselves and try to look into themselves, whether it's their fault or no. Okay, here I feel the trust factor is major. Here you need to do a lot of breathing exercises, do little pranayams and everything. Your mind will clear. And what I feel is the universe is sending you messages which you are not looking at. Universe is telling you to listen, to heal. See, you're not ready to heal. The major thing is trust only. And if you heal your trust, your relationships will get better. People who are single, they are not ready to take a lead. They don't want to take a lead. They just want to, um, you know, they're actually going through some challenging times when it comes to relationships. They want to move forward and succeed and feel that pure like love and bonding and everything, but it's all about again healing. So probably you have commitment issues, probably you have fears in your heart, that's why you're not taking a step. And the minute you heal, your relationships will heal. So now October, what I feel is the message from the universe is to heal. But if you do, your relationships will be better. If you don't, then it will be the same what it was in the past. Okay, let's see what we have for you as Ganeshji's message in the end. Enlightenment. Wow, look at the color purple. Take a screenshot and keep this in your wallet. Enlightenment means you need to get enlightened in life, and Ganeshji is helping you in that journey. The more you are enlightening, enlightenment means what? Enlightenment means healing your past issues, clearing your blocks, healing, and then you will connect with the God and Goddess, which whoever you believe in, or just the universe. Okay, Ganeshji is helping you through this journey, and Pitra Paksh is on. So, yeah, you need to work on yourself because you're going back into the same cycle. Please follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon before you close the video. And email me for paid appointments. That's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.